Good morning. Probably due to some busyness, uh, for want of facilities, for other adversities, the advocates who have completed five years practice may not be aware about the recent call for appointment of assistant public prosecutors grade 2 50 post. Kindly go through the notification. The subjects: Law 1, Indian Penal Code, Part 2, Law 2, CRPC, Evidence Act and CPC. CRPC and the Evidence Act is complete code with amendment as on date. Then Part 3, Constitutional Law, specified portion, Human Rights Act, specified portion, no, complete act with recent amendment, Legal Aid, that means Legal Authority Act, Law of Tort, specific portions. Then Part 4, Central Criminal Acts, Tamil Nadu State Minor Acts. Then aptitude and mental ability, 20 questions are there. Then next paper, Law 1, IPC, final report and framing of charge and translation. English to Tamil from deposition, judgment, charge sheet. Paper 2, Criminal Procedure Code, Indian Penal Code, CPC. This is descriptive type. First which I read was objective type. Then Constitutional Law, Human Rights Act, Legal Aid, tort, same things. Description is also there. All these things you have to go through that. Then Central Acts, Arms Act, Cable Television and Network Regulation Act, Child Marriage Restraint Act, Protection of Child Marriage Act, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, Child Labor Prohibition Regulation Act, Child Labor Prohibition Regulation Amendment Act, Cinematograph Act, Copyrights Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, Electricity Act, Essential Commodity Act, Explosive Act, Explosive Substances Act, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, then Juvenile Justice Act, then Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, Probation of Offenders Act, Public Gambling Act, the Railway Property Unlawful Possession Act, SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act, Protection of Civil Rights Act, Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act, Transplantation of Human Organs Act, Indian Medical Council Act, the Information Technology Act, Identification of Prisoners Act, Mental Health Act, Mental Health Care Act, Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act, the Foreigners Act, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Act, Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques, Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act. Then Tamil Nadu State Acts, Tamil Nadu City Police Act, Tamil Nadu Prevention of Dangerous Activities of Bootleg, that's Act 14, Gundas Act, Tamil Nadu Prohibition Act, Tamil Nadu Gaming Act, Tamil Nadu Forest Act, Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Women Harassment Act, Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Ragging Act, Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Charging Exorbitant Interest Act, Tamil Nadu Property Prevention of Damage and Loss Act, Tamil Nadu Open Places Disfigurement Prevention Act, Tamil Nadu Price Scheme Prohibition Act, Tamil Nadu Price Sheet and Money Circulation Schemes Banning Act, Tamil Nadu Exhibition of Film TV Screen through VCR through Cable Television Network Regulation Rules, Tamil Nadu Kidneys Authority or Use of Therapeutic Purposes Act, Tamil Nadu Open Place Regulation of Poster and Fixing 30 Borders Rules, Tamil Nadu Protection of Interest of Depositor in Financial Establishment Act, Tamil Nadu Clinical Establishment Regulation Act, Tamil Nadu Police Standing Order. These all are the most important provisions. So I will try to deliver lectures on each subject, but not subject wise. I will choose the subject with citations so that you could understand the preposition of law and concept guidelined by the judgment by judges, and so that apart from your preparation for examination, I want to be a best lawyer to serve the society. Therefore, that was my intention. A fantastic judgment which requires your concentration. AR 2021 Supreme Court 3239. Vinod Dua versus Union of India and others. Therein, a journalist allegedly uploaded video on social media to incite people by making false allegations against Prime Minister. Therefore, FIR has been filed against him 124A, 505 1B IPC, and then that FIR was quashed as it was against the fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution 19(1)A. Then Disaster Management Act 52 and 54. The judgment running multi-number of pages. The judgment also written with doctrinal research. So it will be far better you go through the entire judgment to understand several old judgment, including Privy Council judgment, dealing with the right to comment and discuss about the authorities. They say nothing defamatory statement made by journalist and would be covered second and third exception to 499 IPC, whereas 268 is definition of public nuisance and is not penal provision in itself. It was not case that any penal provisions involving statement of public nuisance was attracted. Proceedings 501 268 IPC quashed. Then they say offence not made out as well, since statement in talk show were without any intent to incite people for creating public disorder. Therefore, it was quashed. Then other thing was that then they say some guidelines how to register case. I would like to take you some important paragraph about section 52 Disaster Management Act and how to report natural calamities. Then they say what will be the sedition. What is the primary ingredients for sedition? To excite dissatisfaction against the king, government or constitution or against parliament or administration of justice. To promote unlawful means any alteration in church or state. Incite disturbance of the peace. To raise document among the king's subject. To excite class hatred. This was the case where initially Indian Penal Code was enacted, but subsequently that was amended. Several judgments were discussed. I don't want to take you all those things. Privy Council, Balagangadhar Tilak, Sadasiv Narayan, Balai Rao cases, Indian Express case. You must better go through all those things for equipping yourself to the high standard of knowledge in respect of fundamental rights. But so far the lawyers approaching for public prosecutor examination must read some borderline ratio wherein you could understand how 124A, 53 and 54 of Disaster Management Act and 501 these 499 IPCs were discussed in Article 19(1)A, so that you can understand that this is related to pandemic rules, and also 188 IPC. They say that there should be an authority to lodge a complaint. Therefore, thus ratio is applicable and being quashed cases. Finally, the Supreme Court has given various parameters. Jacob Matthew case, wherein Union of State of Maharashtra, other things have been discussed. Jacob Matthew case was also discussed. How to form constitution committee to regulate the activities of media. Jacob Matthews case was for the purpose of regulating doctors' conduct and delinquency. Okay, best wishes. I will come tomorrow with precisely the IPC cases. If anybody gives suggestions in what way you want me to continue these lectures, if you want more time, you should ask for. Otherwise, I may be feeling that you may be bored by my deliberation. I do not have that much of time to lavishly spend my time because I have got other one. But if you insist that I should deliver lectures on particular subject each day, I am ready to spare my time. Depends upon the persons approaching me by their comment. Best wishes.